Hello and welcome again to my channel Study Buzz. In this video, I will be talking about the significance of the title Things Fall Apart, an African novel written by Chinua Achebe. So, this novel, Things Fall Apart, was published in 1958, just 2 years before the independence of Nigeria in 1960. This novel is one of the most famous novel of African literature. The title of the novel bears the central message of the novel. The title Things Fall Apart foreshadows the tragedy which takes place at the end of the novel. The novel depicts the tragedy of an individual as well as the tragedy of the whole society. The protagonist of the novel, Okonko, who was a rich and a respectable man in the beginning of the novel, meets a tragic fate at the end of the novel. Achebe portrays how a respected, ambitious, and a well known man in his society, Okonko's life falls apart. But when he suffers, his whole tribe also suffers. At the beginning of the novel, the Ibu society was a peaceful society, but the end of the novel, it falls into pieces. Thus, the novel records not only falling apart of Okonko's life, but also his whole society. The phrase things fall apart is taken from the poem The Second Coming, written by W.B. Yeats. It can be said when something we believed would last forever comes to an end. The title Things Fall Apart refers to the fact that without proper balance, things do fall apart. And the idea of balance is a very important theme throughout the novel. Like the poem written by W.B. Yeats, it talks about the concept of balance, and it stresses the importance because without balance the order is lost. So in the novel we see that in the beginning of the novel, the protagonist Okonko was a prosperous leader of the Ibu society, but he meets a tragic end in the end of the novel. And it shows that his life falls apart, and like he meets uh, tragic incidents in his life and how he deals with all these things. He is a well-known person throughout the 9 villages, and he's a warrior. He's a wrestler who gains respect through his athletics. He hasn't lost any battle, and for this, the people of the village love him. He's also respected because of his wealth. And prior to the coming of the white, the political life of the Ibu people was also very organic and strong. They were very loyal to their political leaders. After the entrance of colonial masters, the colonial religion mostly replaces the traditional religion, and when the white man arrives, they ignore the Ibu's value, the society's traditions, and tries to enforce their own beliefs and religious practices. And they try to convince the tribe people that they worship false gods, and they try to convince tribal people to join the missionary and to convert into Christianity. And Okonko's son Noe is also affected by the colonial religion. He joins the missionary, and so this the whole novel depicts the downfall of the protagonist, Okonko, and the whole the whole tribe. The novel concludes with the end of Ibu society and the death of the hero. In the face of the chaos caused by the incursion of Christianity, Okonko becomes a murderer and then hangs himself. His world has literally fallen apart, and it symbolically represents that Ibu society has fallen apart. Thus, we can say the title of the novel, Things Fall Apart, denotes its theme appropriately. So, this is it about the title of the novel. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.